Did you know that you can earn $550 on Instagram with an autopilot system? If you think that this is impossible, you're wrong. In this video, I will show you how to set up this automatic system for yourself so that you can do whatever you want in your entire life while making money in the process. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. In today's video, I will show you how to make money on Instagram for completely free. Before we proceed, I will make a clarification first. You don't need any Instagram followers and pages in this strategy. This strategy is quite flexible, and I will give you multiple platforms in order for you to maximize your earnings. The first platform that I will be showing you is clickbank.com. If you don't know what is ClickBank, it's an affiliate marketplace wherein you can find a bunch of digital products that you can promote, and of course 100% guarantee if someone purchases it, you will be paid. A little bit of disadvantage of this site is that it's not available on all continents. It's only available in top countries like US, Canada, Australia, and also countries located in Western Europe. ClickBank is one of the best and highly recommended websites as far as affiliate marketplace are concerned. But if it's not that accessible in your country, it's not a problem because I will introduce you an alternative site for you. This website is digistore24.com. The said website is mostly available around the globe. If you don't like clickbank.com, then go to digistore24.com. And if you don't like both of them, then go to this last platform. The last platform is Google. Actually, I will do the demonstration on this platform because it sounds impossible if you can't access it. All you need to do on these three platforms is to look out for one particular offer. The offer that you will be looking for is the Instagram Growth Courses Affiliate Program. This is how we will be using Instagram to earn money online. Based on my experience, Google is the best platform wherein you can find Instagram courses and promote them as an affiliate. But you can use ClickBank and Digistore too. It means no matter what platform you will be using, this will work 100%. No matter what platform you will be using, the next step is always the same. Find something good to promote, and of course, find something both not expensive and not too cheap. Above that, it offers good commission rates. While scrolling and looking for the best deal on Google, I found this one. As you can see, it has an insane commission rate. The course cost almost $700, and as an affiliate, you will earn 40% commission or more than $270 and add the $58 upsell. To sum up, you will be earning more than $300 per single sale. For me to earn $3,000, I just need to convince 10 people to purchase the said course. See, it's totally insane. If you convince more than 10, you will earn a lot of money. For us to be able to promote this offer here, all we need to do is click on Sign Up Now, which you can find in this portion, and grab the affiliate link. If you've already grabbed the affiliated link on the Instagram course that you choose, whether it's from ClickBank, Digistore, or Google, all you need to do now is find traffic sources. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. I have 3 different traffic sources to show you in this video, and if you will be using all these 3, you will earn a lot of money. The first traffic source that I will introduce to you is YouTube. A little bit of information: you don't need to create videos, compile videos, and re-upload them on this platform. All you need to do on YouTube is look for videos that are related to growing on Instagram. In my case, I just type in how to grow on Instagram, and after that, you will find recent videos and of course, choose the YouTube video that has a decent amount of views. I will be using this video as an example. All you need to do after opening a YouTube video is contact the people in the comment section. If you do the thinking, those people who make positive comments are the best customers because they are interested in that particular topic. Before you contact those people in the comment section, let's filter the section first. We do this to ensure that you will be replying to the recent comments. To do that, just click on here, and then click on Newest first. Basically, the task that you will be doing here is to reply to all of these recent comments saying, "Here's an Instagram course that I used to grow on Instagram," and leave your affiliate link next to that. You need to reply to as many comments as you can. In case you're running out of recent comments, just simply proceed to another video. It's guaranteed that there are people who are interested in your offer and purchase it. The second traffic source that I can introduce to you is one of the famous platforms. Yes, you're right. We will be using Facebook. All you need to do here is type in Instagram on the search bar and then look for groups on the lower left portion of the platform. After that, join as many groups about Instagram as you can. The more groups you will be joining, the more money you can make. If you already joined those Facebook groups, just simply post something like this: "I managed to grow on Instagram with this course," and then leave your affiliate link on the said post. By doing this, you will expect to earn money passively, because unlike on YouTube, you don't need to look on individual customers. Just leave a post on all of these groups and all done. I think most of you will actually love this traffic source. As you can see, these groups have thousands of members. You only need at least 1% of those members to purchase the course that you're promoting for you to earn a huge amount of money. The last traffic source that I will be showing you in this video is Quora.com. For those who didn't know about this site, this is a community-based platform wherein you can browse for different answers to your question. If someone asks a question on this site, most of the members will respond to it. You will use this platform in this manner. Browse a question like this: "How to grow on Instagram?" And if you will find an infinite number of questions related to that. And what you're gonna do on this site is answer all these questions, as much as the same fashion as you reply to the YouTube comment section. Once you leave as many answers as possible, your work is done. Because if you search on similarweb.com, you will see how famous Quora is. As you can see here, this site was visited by more than 550 million people in the past weeks. It's guaranteed that there are people who will come across your answer and make a purchase on it, even if it's left for a long time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.